Hey, coming back at you. Today I want to talk about websites versus funnels, a sales funnel. And they both have a purpose. It's just dependent on what you're trying to accomplish. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you this board that I designed just to quickly walk you through some of the differences. Okay, coming right back at you. Okay, yeah, it's a little crude, but I just wanted to show you here. So websites versus funnels. So a website typically is designed to inform people about what it is that your company does, what services you offer, how they can get a hold of you. It's also for where your brand lies as well. Like it's kind of like a catch-all. But if I was running, let's say, Facebook ads, I wouldn't send that traffic necessarily to my homepage because a funnel is designed basically for one thing. So TOF is top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. And sales funnels designed mainly to capture the lead and convert it. So this is where you get their email or you get their phone number so that now you can reach back out to them. And after you get that information on a sales page, maybe you push them to an offer of some sort. But typically, if I'm running Facebook ads, I will run them to a single sales funnel or landing page so that I get the lead contact information so that I can further connect with that customer. Sometimes when you send that traffic to a website, they get lost in everything that's on there. You know, you got 5 or 6 service pages about us, contact us, and sometimes you never get that lead. So I'd rather have the lead and then be able to reach out to them, you know, when I deem I want to reach out to them. So that's just a quick, in a nutshell, view of a difference between a website and a funnel. Both have their purposes. Both you typically need when you're in business. It just depends on what you're trying to accomplish. What's the end goal? What do you want the website to do? What do you want the funnel to do? Now, some of the guys will tell you, look, if you're running paid ads, you want to send that traffic to your homepage, to your website, because, Google likes to see traffic coming in on different IPs. And I 100% get that. But if my ad's designed to get the lead, I want that lead, man. I don't necessarily want to send that traffic here. But I do understand both sides of the conversation of the benefits of driving that traffic to your website, where you can build up on the SEO and you can build up on dwell time and different IP addresses coming in versus a sales funnel, which primarily, again, is to get you the lead. So there's 2 schools of thought. There's a couple different things you can do. There's a place for both. It's just, what is it you're trying to accomplish? Okay, so there you have it. A website versus a sales funnel or a landing page. They both have their purposes, just depends what you're trying to do. So one isn't necessarily better than the other. I would consider both depending on what I was using it for. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Thanks.